Before screenshots existed, computers had no way to capture what was happening on a screen. If you wanted to save something, you wrote it by hand. Slow, frustrating, and limiting. In the early 1960s, engineers experimented with copying data from frame buffers, primitive versions of screen grabbing. At Xerox PARC, researchers explored copying the screen for documentation. This quietly planted the seed for the screenshot. Graphical interfaces demanded a way to capture visual elements. Icons, windows, and menus needed to be stored and shared. In 1984, Apple introduced a keyboard shortcut, Command plus Shift plus 3. Screenshotting became consumer-friendly. Microsoft adopted the print screen key, originally meant for printing text, but repurposed to copy the entire display. Screenshots became essential for tutorials and troubleshooting. One image replaced paragraphs of explanation. Snipping tool, Snagit, Lightshot, and more allowed cropping, drawing, and annotating, giving users control. Soon, screenshots were used for documentation, journalism, and legal cases. A single capture could prove everything. Smartphones introduced new shortcuts, making screenshots part of everyday life. Messages, receipts, maps, anything. Screenshots became a universal language. Memes, leaks, jokes, and conversations spread fast. Online arguments introduced the phrase, "I've got the receipts," turning screenshots into digital ammunition. Snapchat and other apps introduced screenshot notifications, sparkling a new tension between privacy and sharing. People questioned what should be captured, what shouldn't, and who had the right to preserve online moments. Designers began screenshotting color palettes, UI inspirations, and reference layouts. Capturing in-game victories and glitches became a normal part of gaming culture. People screenshot reminders, quotes, and chats, turning their gallery into a digital diary. The logic of screenshots evolved into video. Screen recording became the next step. OCR, auto-cropping, instant editing, scrolling screenshots. Modern devices made capturing smarter. AI-enhanced screenshotting began, allowing instant translation, summary, or cleanup of anything captured. In offices around the world, screenshots replaced long emails. Sharing progress, errors, or mock-ups became effortless. Apps integrated built-in sharing buttons, letting users instantly post screenshots to chats or cloud drives. Students screenshot slides, notes, and exam schedules. Learning became heavily visual and instant. Emergency calls, location pins, medical info. Screenshots often help preserve crucial details during urgent moments. People screenshot prices, orders, and tracking numbers, protecting themselves from scams and mistakes. Boarding passes, QR tickets, hotel bookings. Screenshots became essential travel companions. People screenshot sweet messages, apologies, or moments they want to remember or prove later. Artists started creating screenshot collages, transforming digital captures into storytelling visual pieces. Millions of screenshots help train AI systems to understand interfaces, languages, and visual patterns. From frame buffers in the 60s to AI-enhanced captures today, the screenshot has evolved into a tool that shapes memory, evidence, creativity, and communication. A simple press, yet an impact that echoes across the digital world.